In an era of steady agricultural advancement, the efficiency and safety of grain storage are crucial. Jiangzhou Xingming Machinery Equipment Co., Ltd., is dedicated to intelligent agricultural storage solutions, providing efficient, reliable, and sustainable systems for customers worldwide. With years of industry expertise and complete national qualifications and industry certifications, we lay a solid foundation for reliable and professional storage solutions. From raw material processing to finished products, every step is strictly controlled to deliver consistent, high-quality results. We focus on every detail of grain silo manufacturing, upholding craftsmanship and precision in each process. From silo fabrication to complete storage system delivery, we build a solid foundation with craftsmanship and precision, ensuring safe, efficient, energy-saving, and durable intelligent grain storage solutions for our customers. Organized loading, efficient handling. We ensure every order of finished products and components is fulfilled efficiently and reliably. Our intelligent storage solutions are widely applied in grain storage and other related agricultural industries, supporting large-scale agricultural storage needs while helping customers improve efficiency and reduce costs. With years of industry expertise and numerous benchmark projects, we provide customized solutions tailored to different operational requirements. Jiangzhou Xingming Machinery, working with you to build a more efficient and intelligent future of agricultural storage.